Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Tuesday. Okay, so we are at a very major support level at this point of time for SLP. So time will tell us how it's gonna behave, where we're gonna go, are we gonna drop, are we gonna actually not drop to the downside. So the technical target has perfectly been met. Okay, so this was the line that I draw for you, 93 level and 97 level. Actually it was 93, so we are right down on the money, and it seems like it has taken a break and it hasn't actually make the interest to move to the downside. So all you can see is that it came down to the wick and we never lost the wick, and this is something that I'm telling you, you don't want to lose this and you don't want to lose this. Okay, so it's really at the best place potentially for buying, or maybe making a trade, because you are at the support and support are for buying. So from here, I'm not expecting any dump to the downside, by the way. So maybe coming down along in the weekends we could start the dump as well, but I don't know if Bitcoin does have the intentions to go down to like even $20,000 and something like that. There are some bear patterns on Bitcoin that I'm watching, and do watch the update. So what I'm expecting is that instead of going down all of a sudden, Bitcoin does go to like $35,000, and once it goes to the $35,000, SLP takes a break and makes that relief rally potentially back here to the 112. I do expect it to the 112, that much at least. So it could go to that place. But what I want to tell you is that even if it does come to the 112, this is a big level of resistance. Do you see that? So this is where it could actually just come in, get rejected, and then boom, you start to lose the potential support that I told you, or you actually cross it and backtest and you start to actually make an uptrend. Anything is possible at this point of time. So what I'm just gonna leave you with, this is the support level. The technical target was met. And by the way, there's something that I just want to say, that 97% of this prediction of SLP has been played out perfectly to their predicted prices anyway, ever since I started them, by the way. So hopefully keep supporting and praying, guys. I just want to keep the streak going on. So let's see from here. Let's see what happens. And the only thing that I just don't want to see about SLP is SLP ever loses 87 and goes to 70 and backtest and fail the 87.90 level, and that's really going to be bad. And we're going to talk about that in the future updates if it happens, but at the moment, in the short term at least, let's look for that yellow line that I just draw. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.